Good evening. My son Tamir Rice was murdered by Cleveland officer Timothy Loman on November 22nd, 2014. 2 years later, Mayor Frank Jackson announces that he's going to file administrative charges against a police officer who violated my son's civil rights. I want Mike McGrath, the safety director, to fire Timothy Loman and Frank Grunbeck for breaking policies and procedures and murdering my son. Also, I'm still waiting for the Department of Justice to announce their results in the investigation of my son's murder.